What's going on, people who own Shiba Inus? There are only 48 hours left until some Bitcoin news. In fact, it was meant to be closed yesterday, but the weather made that impossible. The charts and prices are being watched by a lot of people, I'm sure. Shiba Inus, who were also this close to hitting the US, slowed down a bit. Guys, I'm going to really tell you what's going on by the end of this video, right? People are trading because there is a lot going on and some positions are open and some positions are closed. It's also very exciting. Also, Satoshi Kusama answered a question I had about Shiba, and I'd like to tell you about it. Also, Lucy is talking about some big news and changes for Shiba Inus. Guys, don't go anywhere. Please hit the like button and think about subscribing to the channel. As I say now, get ready, because as always there could be some instability. That's why we're here though, right? That's up to you if you want to trade. You can buy or sell, but either way is fun. Also, don't forget to click on the Margex first link below to get a $10,000 welcome bonus. We're also beating it with some spots. We'll get to that. You can see that the prices of everything you see have gone down a little over the last 24 hours, which is fine. You might be thinking, okay, so what happened, Oscar? Shiba Inu was kind of going well, you know. After that, on the 1 hour chart, we finally see the Neo cloud start to break. Okay. Don't worry about it, tell us. There you have it, minus 48 hours for the AC to file an appeal in Ripple. You think, Oscar, that's XRP, yes, but this is so important and is XRP, so it changes everything. I mean, I'm going to assume that this is the reason for all the instability in the last few hours. Why? Guys, this is notice form C in the appeal that the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC was meant to file yesterday at the end of the day on the 16th. However, this document shows that the notice of appeal was sent on February 2nd, but it wasn't opened until April 4th. So it was received on the 4th, and it looks like the cutoff is in 2 days at 11:59 p.m. tomorrow. That is not yesterday, but tomorrow. And people like the community in this XRP was like, so is it thrown out? I mean, not just me, but lawyers, writers, and everyone else. And the value of XRP kept going up. I mean, it was moving forward. We heard back from the SEC this morning. A spokeswoman said that the appeal is going as planned and that the necessary paperwork will be sent in soon. So they will send in Form C and the play will go on. Because of this, we will see Form C in 48 hours, which will cause the market to be more volatile, which could affect XRP, Bitcoin, and maybe even Shiba Inus. That's what I mean this time. Could it be negative then? We're already ready for it. There's a good chance that the market has already priced in that news, but I still think it's important because we can see that the market as a whole is changing a few percentage points right now. It's real, we can tell. When you trade, that 7% drop could have killed some of you based on how much leverage you're using, right? But it's good for me to let you know that I don't have it open. Open Margex for us right now. Let me show you how my she buying a position is doing when you go to trade. Just so you know, this one was being looked at by everyone, right? We can buy something from her right now if we go. I have it here open to see if this is what she bought or is. That means I'm in a good place for SHIB, which is great. But you can see how this turned out. I kind of opened more when she bought the spots. It went up and then came down a lot. We have come down a lot, so this is a good place for me to start another she bind up position. I wanted to start something here. I know that this one could be saved and won't be closed down. And as we go higher, I'll keep getting more and more money. Guys, click on the first link below to sign up. Not Kaisi, it's a great place to start trading and open more accounts. And as I said, more than 60 of you were already having fun with this one every day. As always, be careful because it's leverage, but it's really cool to be a part of this. Of course, I'm using my PPF indicator, which gives me a little more of an edge when it comes to knowing how long and when to stay in places. If I see that we're already over body, that means we've passed some steps. It's the second link down from the top of your ad bind holders. Check it out if you want to. It's risk-free for 30 days, and it helps a lot of people who are into saving, which is what we love. You already have a lot of great information. Here are the things we know about Shiba Inu 2. That's what will happen in 48 hours. As always, get ready. This weekend should be a lot of fun, right? They pushed back Shibacon's meeting, and he said that they were moving and would give more information once they knew where they were going. Thai capital Bangkok is no longer going to be the site of the meeting, they are now choosing a different place. That's what he said in a direct message. And I thought, okay, great. So it definitely wasn't well accepted when I first looked at all the comments and saw that people were like, come on, really? What happened? From what he told me, we'll find out at the end of the day if they really are going to explain. I think the Shiba Inu army had a lot to do. I mean, that meeting was in less than a month. And some people asked, is it off? Yes, let's check out the new one. They haven't really answered much. Another thing we have is a report on Shiba Inu governance. A team member shares important new information. Lucy is the team member she talks about when she says that the DAO and the foundations are coming soon. We're getting close to the start date of 2025 or 2024. It looks like the ecology is about to change in a way that will give power to the real owners, not trolls or photos on Telegram, which is the point of the introduction, right? Okay, guys, that's what Lucy means. As you know, the DAO says that the more DAO tokens you have, the more voting power you should have, as well as something that the Shiba Inu group, the leaders, and the developers are making sure takes place. In the end, Shiba Inu owners should know that the price of Shiba Inus is still stable. We're already up though if you're following the charts like we are on this channel. We are already a little higher and are working to get even higher. We always take the chance to come in if we come down because we are already up 100% on this position, which is cool, and you should always be making money. I think the prices and tokens are still the same, but get ready. I'll keep you up to date on what's going on. Do what you need to do to stay up to date, like follow and make sure that bell is on. However, Shiba Inu, Ripple, and the CC are all in the news right now. It's crazy, but everyone is paying attention. Peace.